Welcome back to Motor Minds, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. Today we have something truly special to talk about: the new 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder, a car that perfectly blends Porsche's racing heritage with cutting-edge hybrid technology. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated with the latest reviews and news from the automotive world. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder such a groundbreaking machine. Porsche has taken everything that made the original 918 Spyder an icon and pushed it further for 2025. This hybrid hypercar features a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine, combined with two electric motors. The combustion engine alone produces 608 horsepower, while the electric motors add an additional 280 horsepower, making the combined output an astonishing 888 horsepower. With a dual-clutch 7-speed PDK transmission, the 918 Spyder delivers an incredibly smooth and responsive drive. What really stands out about the 2025 model is its enhanced electric range and efficiency. Thanks to advancements in battery technology, the car can now travel up to 20 miles purely on electric power, an improvement from previous versions. This extended electric range is not only great for efficiency but also allows for silent, emission-free driving in urban environments. The new Spyder also features regenerative braking, so every time you brake, you're charging the battery. Porsche has also refined the 918 Spyder's all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional handling and traction, whether you're on a racetrack or navigating through city streets. The car can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed of 211 mph. Despite this blistering speed, the car is surprisingly efficient, thanks to its hybrid system. It offers fuel economy figures that are impressive for a hypercar of this caliber, averaging around 67 miles per gallon in hybrid mode. The exterior of the 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder is an evolution of its predecessor's sleek, aerodynamic design. The carbon fiber reinforced plastic bodywork is both lightweight and strong, contributing to its impressive power-to-weight ratio. Aerodynamic enhancements include an active rear spoiler and adjustable front flaps, which automatically adapt to optimize downforce and drag at different speeds. The 918's low, wide stance gives it an aggressive look, while the large air intakes and sculpted lines enhance both cooling and aerodynamics. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's as futuristic as it is luxurious. High-quality leather, carbon fiber trim, and a digital cockpit define the interior experience. The new Spyder comes equipped with Porsche's latest infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration. The driver-centric layout places all controls within easy reach, allowing for minimal distraction when driving at high speeds. The seating position is low and sporty, with racing-style bucket seats providing excellent support during hard cornering. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Porsche 918 Spyder will come with a hefty price tag, expected to be around $1.1 million. This positions it firmly in the hypercar segment, but given its performance, technological advancements, and exclusivity, it's a car that will likely be worth every penny to enthusiasts and collectors alike. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Minds. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe to stay up to date with all things automotive. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new 918 Spyder. Does it live up to its iconic name? Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.